I watched YouTube. I did not watch YouTube. I was watching YouTube. I was not watching YouTube. I had watched YouTube. I had not watched YouTube. I had been watching YouTube for 10 minutes. I had not been watching YouTube for 10 minutes. Hello everybody. This is Mamta. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is our day 5 of English learning challenge. And successfully we have completed 5 days. I'm so happy because before this I never been this kind of consistent. I was consistent on YouTube, like uploading videos every single day, but it was always on and off. So this is the kind of thing which I'm really proud of. Okay, so let's come to the topic. So our today's lesson is past tense. Today we are going to learn that how we can talk about our past. So let's start this video without any further ado. So right now, this is present. I'm speaking, I'm recording, you are listening, you are watching. Absolutely. So this is our present. But this is present, and before this, whatever happened, that comes in past. Today we are not going to grab our notebook, pen and jot down all the grammatical things. Today directly we are going to learn from speaking. Alright, so let me give you first a brief summary about past tense. Okay, so I watched YouTube. That means कि हाँ मैंने YouTube देखा. If I say I did not watch YouTube, मतलब मैंने YouTube नहीं देखा. Next sentence, I was watching YouTube. इसका मतलब है मैं YouTube देख रहा था. पास्ट में कोई काम कंटिन्यूअस में हो रहा था. और I was not watching, that is negative. Next, I had watched YouTube. मैं YouTube देख चुका हूँ. Okay, complete. I had been watching YouTube for 10 minutes. मतलब मैं 10 मिनट से YouTube देख रहा था. I had been following you for 1 year. Exactly. इसी तरीके से हमारे सेंटेंस बनते हैं पास्ट के. I hope along with me you also make sentences in your mind and you try to speak that. You got the idea that how you make sentences in past tense. See, this is the challenge which we are doing. This challenge is very authentic. Every time it's not necessary that I'm going to remind you that whatever I'm doing in videos, you have to do the same thing. This is the basic thing, this is the day 5. So every time I'm not going to remember this, that I have to remind you for that. Okay, so right now I made this kind of sentences in past. You also have to do the same thing. It's not necessary that I'm going to remind you. Alright, I might forget to remind you every time. Now let's do speaking practice for past tense. So let's first take very simple question which anybody can ask you. That is, what did you do yesterday? आपने कल क्या क्या किया? That's the simple thing. Okay. So इसमें जो भी आपको आंसर करना है, whatever you have to answer, all the sentences will come in past tense. You know what I mean? That's why past tense is important. And most of the time, more than present or future tense, we always talk about past because we are Indians. We love to stay in our past. So most of the time, we talk about past tense only. Okay? My voice might sound to you different because I'm shooting this video at night. So I'm speaking a little slow. Okay, I don't want to sound very loudly. I don't want to disturb any other PG girls out there. Alright, as I'm shooting this video at night, so even though I'm speaking slowly, it's night, so everything is silent here. So my voice would be highlighted. Alright, let's come to the topic. So the topic is, what did you do yesterday? Okay, so now simple. I'm going to give you 2 examples in this answer, that how you can answer. First answer is very basic answer. Now I don't know about your routine, that what you do exactly, so I am going to give my example, that what did I do yesterday. So first, the simple answer. I woke up at 7 o'clock in the morning. I took bath. 8 o'clock I started taking classes. 8 to 11 o'clock I took classes. After that, I took my lunch and then I scripted some of the videos. I started shooting, then I did editing, and then I uploaded videos, and then I started afternoon classes. After that, I went to park. Then I returned to PG. Again, I started evening classes, and then I took dinner, and then I went for sleep. This is our simple answer. Okay, here I'm only describing that what kind of actions I have taken yesterday. People who are beginner out there, they first try these kind of sentences. Okay, whatever the actions they take throughout the day, they have to describe that only. Got it? So that is simple answer. Now next, a little advance. So in advanced answer, what you do exactly, after each sentence you add some kind of detail. Detail in the sense, I just said that I woke up 7 o'clock in the morning and then I took bath. 7 o'clock, woke up, I took bath. In between that, there is a feeling. There is a feeling that when I woke up at 7 o'clock, what I was feeling. Was I feeling like waking up, or was I feeling like just sleeping? This kind of feeling you have to add there, so that your answer sounds decent and you give more detail and information to the listener. I woke up at 7 o'clock. Well, that's my usual time for waking up, so I did not find it very hard to wake up. And I don't even need any kind of alarm to wake me up at 7 o'clock. As usual, I have the habit of listening to Hanuman Chalisa the moment I wake up. So I did the same thing. I played Hanuman Chalisa in my phone and I listened to it calmly while drinking water. Hanuman Chalisa is something which gives me power and positive energy, which keeps me positive throughout the day. Then I got up from the bed. I made my bed. Then I went to freshen up. After that, I started doing my workout. And when I was doing workout, my mother called me. I started talking with my mother. I talked with my mother for a few minutes and then I said that, Mother, I'm doing my workout. So please you call me after some time. So then she said, okay, you build your body. We can wait for you. After that, I quickly grabbed my clothes, went to bathroom and I took bath and then I washed my clothes. And after washing clothes, I put them on terrace to let them dry. And then I quickly did my breakfast. I did not have anything in my breakfast yesterday, so I just simply had two breads with peanut butter, which gave me instant energy to take classes. Now it was finally 8 o'clock. Then I started taking classes. Then straight from 8 to 11 o'clock, I took classes. Just like every day, I enjoyed those classes a lot. Afterwards, I scripted a video. As I am following 30 days of challenge, I scripted that video. I do not have the habit of scripting my videos line by line, word by word. I just write down some of the points that these are the points I have to cover in my videos. So that's what I did. After that, I started recording videos and then I scripted that video and then I uploaded that video. And by the time I completed that, it was already 2 o'clock and I was starving with hunger. You know what? I tell you one thing, when I was in my hometown, 9 o'clock was the last timing when I had my lunch. Literally, I have this habit. I come from a very small town in villages where people do not have habit of taking breakfast. They directly take lunch. So I was also habitual of that thing. So 9 o'clock was the last timing of having my lunch. Then 9 o'clock I used to take, and now you see here in PG, I take lunch after 2 o'clock. Then I quickly went out to see that if that lady has delivered my lunch box or not. So that lady was delivered already my lunch box. I took that inside and I quickly started doing my lunch, and lunch was absolutely delicious. So I just watch Ninja Hattori, Doraemon, something like that, which gives me instant happiness while having my lunch. So later on, what I did, I think, yeah, later on I started checking comments below my YouTube videos which I upload every day. There I saw that lot of positive comments you guys were commenting. I absolutely loved that, and it gave me motivation to upload videos every single day. That's why it's 12 o'clock at night and still I'm shooting this video, and after this I'm going to edit it also. So why am I doing this? Because you guys are so motivating. Literally, I have to say that. All right. Along with those positive comments, I saw some of the negative comments also. I think around two, not more than two, but I think around one or two comments were negative. But it did not affect my motivation or did not affect my happiness a lot, because you know what? I have thick skin. That's why what I have overperformed in my life, in front of that, those comments are nothing actually. If you comment something negative, that doesn't affect me at all. So it's your waste of time, not mine. Later on, I felt like walking and doing some kind of stretching exercises, because you know what, my work is something that just sit, shoot video, take classes and all. In between all these things, my body doesn't have a lot of movements. So I thought I have time in my next classes. So I thought let's walk for some minutes. Nearby my PG, there is a beautiful garden. So I went there, I walked there. There I shooted a few shots also, which very soon I'm going to upload. And absolutely, the park was very chaotic. Even though it was not any weekends and all, but still it was chaotic. I did not spend a lot of time there, but I absolutely loved the greenery, and there is a rose garden also. I absolutely loved that. Afterwards, I returned to my PG. I started taking classes, and in my evening classes, we had a debate session, and that debate session was about money versus knowledge. And then, absolutely as usual, my students rocked the debate. Afterwards, I made the return call to my mother. I talked with her on video call, and then with that video call, I added to my elder sister also. So we both talked, and after that, we thought like let's connect our father also on this video call. Then we all connected, we talked a lot, and that if even right now I'm describing that I'm feeling nostalgic. I really miss my family. You know what, my upbringing was with my family only. That's why. All right, but still I'm learning to live far from them. All right, after this, don't think that I'm going to have dinner. My dinner comes around 9 o'clock, up after 9 o'clock, So 9 to 10, I again took classes, and after 10 o'clock, I had my dinner. And then again, I started scripting video, editing video, started preparing for some GT topics and question answers. And this is how my day was super productive. And I think around 12 o'clock I slept, and the next day I again followed the same routine. Boom. You see, I think 10 minutes I described this routine, what I did yesterday. Now you can clearly see the difference. In basic answer, it just took me less than 1 minute. And in advanced answer, it took me more than 10 minutes. So you can see the difference. This is how you improve your English. Once you are comfortable with basic answer, go with advanced answer. How you add details with your each and every action. When I said that I woke up at 7 o'clock, along with that I added some extra sentences that this is my usual time to wake up. So I'm not feeling like sleeping at all. Without alarm, I can wake up at 7 o'clock. So you see, with one action, I have added 3 to 4 extra detailing sentences. So this is the right way to improve your English. So I hope you got the idea, and this Day 5 of video helped you. Now what is your homework? Don't go somewhere, okay? Your homework is remaining. You also have to do the same thing. What did you do yesterday? You have to write down everything, comment below, and listen to me here carefully with all your ears. Don't just write down. Writing down is not enough. You have to speak also. Okay, now I cannot come there and say you that okay, you are speaking or not. You have to be honest with yourself. You are writing, that's perfectly all right. You are very honest with your homework. It gives me immense level of happiness when you complete your homework. That's absolutely all right. Okay, that's brilliant, that outstanding. But along with that, you have to do speaking practice also. Now, how you can do speaking practice? Actually, there are a lot of ways you can do your speaking practice. You can do mirror practice. You can speak in front of the mirror. You can speak in front of your camera, which I am doing right now. I'm just talking with any object. Nobody is here in this room to listen me. This is the like non-living thing, and I'm talking with this. So this is the kind of work you can do. And the third thing is ChatGPT is there. ChatGPT Baba is always there for you. Okay, so you can talk with that. And one more advantage is there when you talk with ChatGPT. If you ask that, is there any mistake which I made? ChatGPT can correct you there also. That's it about our day 5. Let's meet you in the comment below, and after that in 6th day. Till then, bye bye. Keep on watching my videos. Do not forget to check out my old videos also. You can see their drastic change. Okay, and if you see me that okay, this girl is coming out from this shit, because if you check out my old videos, my god, you would see that how I was speaking. मैं इंग्लिश बोलती नहीं थी, मैं इंग्लिश को गाती थी. I used to sing English. There were a lot of filler words in my speaking English, if you notice that. So do not forget to check out my old videos also, so that you can also get some motivation कि ये कर सकती है तो मैं भी कर सकती हूँ. Isn't it? If I can do that, so you can also do that, my dear. All right. So please keep on doing your homework, keep on practicing, keep on watching my videos. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye. Take care of yourself.